Hi there everyone and good Thursday morning. We've got an active afternoon and evening coming up across the Mahoning and Chenango Valley, so I thought I would take a second and do a video blog this morning and show you what we can expect. First things first, the National Weather Service does have a winter weather advisory out for Trumbull and Mercer counties and points north and also to the west and also to the east. It's essentially from I-80 on north that the winter weather advisory is out. Now, not much is going on this morning. I think it's fine this morning, even some sunshine out there, and the more sunshine, the better today. That'll help warm those road surface temperatures up. Right now, the lake effect is primarily aimed east of Cleveland over into Lake Northern Geauga and parts of Ashtabula counties this morning. As we get into the afternoon, there's going to be a trough of low pressure that dives in from the north, causing uplift in the atmosphere, and we'll get a little boost from Lake Erie, which is only about 20% ice covered at this point, so certainly it is possible for Lake Erie to contribute to things when we have that little ice on the lake. So let's dive into the models, and I'll show you some simulated radars here, and here's what we can expect. Again, a quiet morning. Here comes the wave of snow rotating in from the lake this afternoon. This is 1 o'clock, still not much going on locally, but by 3, 4, 5 o'clock, as we head towards rush hour this evening, I'm expecting the radar to get more active. Snow showers around, perhaps even some squalls in this. You know, yesterday we had some isolated snow squalls that caused sudden reductions in visibility and some changeable conditions, and we could have that kind of a situation again mid-afternoon into this evening, into parts of tonight as well. Our simulated radar here shows a pretty good Lake Huron connection with this band up. Let me get my marker here. This band up here has a Huron connection and is pretty much aimed at Ashtabula, Crawford, and maybe northeastern parts of Mercer County. If that comes to fruition, underneath that band, there's going to be some heavy snow. We'll see if that ends up being realistic or not, but that's what our latest run of the high-res modeling is showing, that after everyone gets some snow showers and squalls mid to late afternoon, it becomes more concentrated in the northern part of our viewing area as we head through the overnight. Let me switch models on you here, and we'll keep on trucking. This is 10, 11, midnight tonight. Again, north and northeast is where the highest concentration of activity will be, but everywhere we still have the chance of seeing some random snow showers and flurries. As you get up on Friday morning, I think the bark is a little worse than the bite here on the model. I do think there can be some fingers of snow. It's not this big blue blob like you see here, but I think there can be some fingers of snow showers and flurries that can make things locally slick. Wouldn't be surprised if we had some school adjustments tomorrow morning, perhaps some 2-hour delays, depending on how things go overnight. So plan on some inconveniences, I think, for your Friday morning as a result of the overnight activity. This is what we have as far as the snow forecast. I put this out last evening. I still think it's pretty good. Might make some tweaks today. But generally the idea here is, you know, in Mahoning County, a lot of us will get about 2 inches, I think. Closer to an inch, maybe 2 in Columbiana. Once you get up to around I-80 and points north, it's very likely you're going to get more than 2, and you could even get 3 or 4. And if that Lake Huron connection sets up, the kind of the northeastern quadrant of Mercer, you know, there could be 4 to 8 in some spots up there, especially up towards Sandy Lake and around I-79 in the northeastern part of Mercer County. Also, don't discount the possibility of some bonus snow up in northwestern Trumbull as well, a little bit closer to the primary snow belt. Road conditions later today as you head home from work, if you're you know, kind of a day shifter, if you're getting off work mid to late afternoon, the road should be generally okay until after sunset. The reason for that, we're in March now, and when it snows in the daytime in March, especially given that we've had some relatively mild weather lately, when it snows in the daytime in March, it has a hard time sticking. You know, we saw that yesterday with the snow squalls. Once they moved through, the roads were just wet. But this evening, temperatures are going to drop fairly quickly. We'll end up well down into the 20s tonight, and I do think it can stick fairly efficiently on untreated surfaces. So especially after sunset into the overnight, watch for some slow travel. Highest risk of snow showers and squalls after 4 p.m. and taking us through about 3 or 4 in the morning, although again in the northern areas it can linger a little bit longer. So of course, we're going to have you updated on the Storm Tracker 21 app throughout the day. I'll be in the office this afternoon and this evening. In the meantime, meteorologist Andrew DiPaolo is in the studio this morning, and he'll keep you updated on social media, and a full update coming up at noon today on the midday show. Enjoy the sunshine this morning and stay safe if you're out traveling later on today and into tonight. Thanks for watching.